Lids blessed your girl with some brand new fitteds. The very first hat is black with a green bill. On the underbrim, you have a bright, vibrant red, and for the patch on the side, World Series 2000. The second hat is green with a bold NY in gold on the front. The patch reads 1977 All-Star Game, which was played in New York, and the underbrim is gold as well. The third hat represents and celebrates the 50th year anniversary of the Yankees organization from 1903 to 1952. Again, orange with yellow accents both on the back and on the underbrim. The final hat in purple, black, and gold, the World Series 1998 fitted, with the underbrim being purple as well to accent the rest of the fitted. Unfortunately, these are not on the website. I checked, but you can find similar hats as well. To rank my favorites, I would have to go purple, green, black, then orange.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit.
Hello everybody, it's your girl TJ back with another video on Talks with TJ, and you saw it, Lids truly blessed your girl with some brand new fitted hats. Major surprise. So no joke, I think it was maybe 2 weeks ago. They actually hit me up via DM on Instagram and let me know that they've been watching my content since 2020. I think when I first posted like a Fear of God fitted video, because I was finally able to get my hands on one, and they just really loved the content from there on and wanted to connect with me in 2022 to, just gift me some hats and just start a relationship together. And this is amazing. This is what I say. I came into this space with zero expectations. So everything that occurs, it's a cherry on top. It's such just a humbling experience, because who would have thought, who would have known, right? So I guess that's also a lesson that, first off, always create content, always put out things that are true to yourself, right? For the fitteds that you guys have seen me buy, or even hats, all of my hats are very true to myself. They're team related, right? It could be the Yankees, it could be Golden State, it can be Michigan. My teams are life for me, and I'm a big hat person. It's not always so much been fitted, just because the adjustable dad hats are easier to wear regardless of kind of the hairstyle, and we've talked about that before. But yeah, fitted hats have made their way back into my just staples in terms of outfits. And I don't know if they've been paying attention, right, to me going to a lot of Bucks games, but this is truly like reminds me of it being like a Bucks hat, just New York themed, and I'm not mad about it whatsoever. But I think that really is a lesson, just continue to create in a way that's authentic and true to you, and create put out something that you would be proud of, right? Put out something, if you do have aspirations to work with brands or brands to connect with you, literally create as if you're already creating for them. Create at the highest quality that you can, at the best production value that you can, with whatever is at your disposal at the time, and you have no idea what could come from it. And I'm just really excited, definitely happy, as you can see. So 4 new fitteds added to the collection, 4 awesome colors, and they each have their own individual special patch on the side, which is awesome as well. And listen, if I can put any of the links below for these specific hats, I will. Yeah, I have quite a small size head when it comes to my hair being straight, so these are all 6 and 7/8. Some hats I have to kind of settle for it being a 7, and then whenever my hair is back in twists. So that'll be April, so spring through the summertime, probably till end of October, maybe early October. I'm gonna have to resize resize or figure out the size that I need. That way I can continue to rock fitteds during that time as well. So I'll probably have some hats that are a true 6, 7, 8, and then I'm probably gonna have some other hats that are 7.5 or even larger, whatever I need to accommodate that specific hairstyle. But I love just being able to throw on a hat. Listen, I truly do not blame men when a fitted hat becomes part of their everyday wardrobe, and when you coordinate it too based on the kicks. Now, you guys didn't see any kicks coordinated in this video, but just stay tuned. I'm sure as I do unboxings and showing you how I choose to style, whether it's Fear of God or a sneaker coming in, whether it's a Jordan, a Nike, a Yeezy, an Adidas, a New Balance, Reebok, whatever, I'm pretty sure you guys will see some of these hats worked into those fits in those videos, especially on Instagram at talkstylewith.tj. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you are already tapped into lids, either for your team hats or just other cool hats that you plan to add to the collection over the year. So this video doesn't need to be long. I'm just super excited again to have connected with lids, for them to value the content that I put out. And this is an amazing kickoff to 2022. And I thank you guys so much for tuning in this video. So if you really like what you see and you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.